Alrighty. So what are you doing for yourself today, creative? It's really hot here, not gonna lie. But getting outside and seeing some pretty stuff just really helps me out. What about you? What kind of things do you need to do to revive yourself? Is that indulging in a book or a movie or just taking a nap? Whatever it is, I really suggest you take at least 5 minutes and do that today. So creative, what waters you? What do you need to do to revive yourself just a little bit? It doesn't have to cost money, it doesn't have to take a great amount of effort, but there are going to be things that you can do in your life, tiny things, that can really help you out. You may think that 5 minutes doesn't matter, but it really freaking does. Just a few minutes to yourself to water your soil. It's worth it, creative. Once you've done that, then sit down with me, hopefully where it's a little bit cooler, and let's make something new.